Yeah, yeah.
Missing someone with all your
Guys, how you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtutu wa Homa Bay County. So today we are making hamburgers or beef burgers. The ingredients are, we have the blue band mayonnaise, which is very nice, by the way. I recommend. We have cumin, we have paprika, we have soy sauce, the light soy sauce, we have cayenne pepper, we have black pepper, we have mixed spice, we have salt to taste. Of course, we have the burger bread. Other ingredients that we're going to use, we have lettuce, we have onions and tomatoes. Okay. Let me explain. We used a dash of cayenne pepper, paprika, cumin, mixed spices, and black pepper. We just used our eyes to measure, and we added in the onions. Okay, we added in a little bit of onion. Now we are going to add in an egg and continue mixing everything together. Now we are going to make them into balls like that and then flatten them. Okay? Know that when you fry the patties, they're called patties, right? They are going to shrink. So you need to put a sizable size so that when they shrink, you're left with a sizable size for the burger. Okay? We made 6 of the patties, so we are going to refrigerate them for 30 minutes. Refrigerating makes them a little bit harder so that when you put them to fry, they are firm, they are together. Okay? Now that they are ready, we are going to fry them. As those ones are cooking, we are going to start caramelizing our onions. These ones we are going to put in the burger, of course. So after letting the onions simmer, we are adding in about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, the light soy sauce, okay? That is what makes the onions have that brown or black color. If you're going to have that black color, you'll need to use the dark soy sauce, but for us, we use the light soy sauce. So now I'm going to toast our burgers. I've cut each. So I'm going to toast both sides of the burger into a frying pan. This is how they look after toasting. Now that everything is ready, it's time to assemble everything together and enjoy this delicious burger. Oh, I lost the footage where we were assembling everything, but this is what happened. The bun below, then you put in the lettuce, then we put in the tomatoes, then we put in the meat. We added in the shredded cheese, we put our caramelized onions, then we put the mayo on top, and then we covered it as it is being shown right now. And there we have our burger. Then this is a personal preference. I added some tomato ketchup to mine, okay?